This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Confirm you have admin rights and two-factor access so changes will stick. Open account settings and find the access number field. This is the live value you will replace. Once located, enter the new number in a draft note so you avoid typos and make sure a verification device is ready. You do this now to prevent lockout and reduce rollback work. Proceed immediately to initiate the change. You've already minimized common failures. You now input the new access number into the change dialog and double-check every digit. Accuracy matters because verification uses that exact string. Once done, trigger the verification method, SMS, phone call, or authenticator, and follow prompts. If prompted, provide your 2FA code and approve the device. Next, make sure linked services receive the new number by updating integrations and recovery contacts. This reduces service interruptions and keeps automated alerts flowing to the right destination. Complete the process by testing a fresh login using the updated access number and check permissions are intact. Then update internal documentation and notify stakeholders so everyone knows the change and can update saved credentials. If verification fails, don't panic. Use backup codes or initiate the admin recovery flow to avoid lockout. Escalate to support only if recovery attempts fail. Finally, monitor logs for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.